Hello there, this is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky, and today we're having a look at the Affinity Designer tool again. And what we did in the last video was to make this shape over here using the cookie cutter tools of the Boolean add and subtract, and also by using the rounded rectangles. And the faster way to do this would perhaps be to do it like this. So let's go for the rounded rectangle tool first of all. Let's select that, bring this in here and make the top shape first of all. So there's our top shape, and then we're going to get this here and make the corners on it so as tight as that can be there, so it's the right shape. And then I'm going to do the first of these shapes coming up from the bottom. So I'm going to do this one here and take it up to there, and then I'm going to do the roundy bits that we need there, and then I'm going to get the move tool, put that where I need it to be there. Then I'm going to do Command J to duplicate that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move it across there so that it goes to where I want it to be. So I'm going to hold the shift key down like I did before and put it in about there. Then I'm going to do Command J again to get the required number of drippy bits. So let's bring that out of it there so it's as far as we need it. Then we can make these shapes here. So let's bring this one down so that it's about the right length that we need it. Let's get this one here, make it a little bit shorter. Let's get this one here, make it a little bit longer. And then let's get this one here and we can make that one there. So it's go down, whichever way you want these drips to go then anyway, okay? So then what we're going to do is I'm going to select all of these here, and then I'm going to grab the Boolean add tool. So I'm going to make that all into one object. And then we've got most of the job done, except we've got to give these curves on this inside here. And for that we're going to do the corner tool. So let's do this corner tool. And for this one here, let's just zoom in a bit closer there so we can see what we're doing. And then you just bring this here and get that to the radius that you want. Obviously you can make the radius whatever size you need, and you want the radius that is going to be similar to the radiuses, the radii that are working on this end here maybe, so it's up to you. And then we'll do this one over here. Now this one here, we want the radius to be exactly half of the width of that bit there, so I'm going to bring it so that the red circle goes just to that line there. And then I'm going to do the same with the other side so that the shape at the top there is just as it's supposed to be. Then I'm going to do the same on this one here, and then the same with this one over here. So let's try that there, do that, plus the shift key. We've got two selected there. Oh my goodness, this is just so much easier. Look, multiple select and do two at the same time. How about that then? And then we can do this one here and we can bring that out so it's about the same sort of radius as we have on the other one over on the left that we just did. So an even faster way of doing this design. How about that then? This is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky. If you've learned something of this, don't forget to click on the like button and also to click on subscribe to the channel on YouTube so that you can see more of these videos. Bye bye now.